Alright guys, I am back with another video with a few more websites to help you make money online. Before I continue, I want to apologize. With the pandemic and everything going on, everybody's at home. It's a little more difficult to record the way I want to, so I have to get in where I fit in. Okay, it's about 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. So again, I apologize for any audio or visual quality issues. Okay. Once everything clears up and I can get back to recording the way I want to, I'll definitely change things up. But for now, I'm just working with what I got. Okay, kind of what goes with doing your own thing. Okay, but anyway, with that being said, the first website I have for you today is Udemy. Okay, this is a website where you can upload courses. Okay, it's been around for a while with other sites like Skillshare and Teachable. All right. I've talked about those courses in the past. Those platforms in the past, and just like those, you upload courses, okay? But more like on the Teachable side, you set a price, okay? You set the price for your courses. Where like a site like Teachable, it's a per premium minute kind of thing, sort of like how YouTube does the per 1,000 views or whatever. But with Udemy, you upload your courses and you set your price. Okay, there's different categories, so you can download any skill that you have, you can upload it as a course and you can teach it back out. Like I said before, if you don't feel like you have a skill that's teachable, you can always go on YouTube or look up some website, learn the skill. Okay, and then once you learn it, once you can replicate that skill, then you can go ahead and turn around and you can teach that skill as a course. Okay, and this is one of those websites that you can do it. All right, so just take the time, go through the website, see what their rules are. Okay, as far as teaching courses, because every platform is different. Check out the rules, see what you need, see how some of the courses are taught on this platform, and do your thing, teach your skill, get paid for it. Okay, so the next site that I have for you today is Flippa.com. Okay, now this is another site that's been around for a while. Basically, you can buy domains and websites and you can resell them. All right, so what you could do is build a website, drive some traffic to it, get it noticed a little bit. Okay, and then you can put it on Flippa.com and sell it for way more. Okay, or what you could do, buy some domains or buy some websites on Flippa, find some of the cheaper ones that don't have a lot of traffic or anything happening with them. Okay, build the traffic, drive traffic to the site, get more views on the site. Okay, maybe attach some affiliate programs to the website. All right, and then resell it for way more on Flippa. People are making, you can see from this front page, you got people selling websites for $60,000. You can make a lot of money with this if you put in the time, and that's the important part. Like, do a little bit of research. Okay, take some time, see what you really need to get your site selling on this platform. Okay, like I said, you can find one that's dirt cheap on here if you do a little bit of searching, and then you can clean it up, update it, modernize it. Okay, drive some traffic to it, and then flip it right back on the platform. Okay, totally up to you. It's an option. All right, next one I have is is on the simpler side, like really simple, and this is Amazon Mechanical Turks. Okay, this is like one of those micro task sites. Okay, you do like 1 to 2 minute tasks. Okay, this is like on the lowest end of them. It doesn't pay much. Most of them are cents. You may be able to find a couple of or dollars that you get paid in dollars, but again, these are micro tasks. They take 2 minutes tops, little things. Okay, answer a question, watch a video, just little things, little simple things. Okay, and you can just bang them out quickly. All right, and you can use Amazon Mechanical Turks to get paid that way. Okay, like I said, it doesn't pay the most, but it's one of the easiest. Okay, and it's Amazon, so you know you're going to get paid. All right, so moving on from that, I have 99 Designs. 99 Designs is a place where you can make logos and things like that. Okay, so if you have a creative hand, if you're like the artsy type, okay, you can create logos for people's business cards, websites, merchandise, you name it. You can make designs for it. Okay, and it's a really good way for you to get paid. Okay, so check it out if you're like I said, if you're one of those artsy people, if you're good with web design or design and things like that, you have a way that you can actually use your skills to make some decent income online. Okay, and the last one I have for you is Freelancer. This is another freelancing site like Upwork and Fiverr. Okay, you can post any type of any skills that you have on here: data entry, virtual assistant, things like that, bookkeeping. If you're a writer writing for websites or ebooks and things like that, if you're good with that type of stuff, you can post your services on Freelancer. Okay, y'all can negotiate how you get paid. All right, I mean, you can put a set price if you want, but it's also negotiable. Okay, people can reach out for you. There's a marketplace so people can search, they can search the list. Okay, so again, a really good option if you're good with that type of stuff. Okay, if you're more on the freelancing side of things. All right, so basically that's all I have for today. Not a long one. I try to mix these up. Okay, just so there's something different for everybody. Not everybody's into the same thing. I try to break away from having the same type of thing over and over and over again. Okay, not everybody's into like I said, the same thing. So mix it up for everybody. But that's all I have for today's video. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and share this out, guys. And I will catch you in the next video. Take care.